BeeChica workshop, Remedies from the Hive. I'm Deborah BeeChica.
And I'm Tracy BeeChica.
And we are going to show you how to take some simple things from your pantry, along with some important items from the hive, and make a few immune boosting remedies you can use throughout the year to help keep yourself healthy. So here are some great examples of different colors of propolis, and the thing that makes each chunk a different color is the plants that the bees visit. So you can see everything from a deep red to a more golden color.
Propolis infused oil.
The recipe for propolis oil is 6.7 ounces of olive oil by volume, preferably organic to support the bees, and then using a kitchen scale, measure by weight 10 grams of propolis. If you have larger chunks of propolis, it works best to break them up so there is more exposed to the oil. An easy way to do this is to pop it into a bag and freeze it, then tap it with a heavy pan or rolling pin to break it up into smaller pieces. When you've combined the propolis and the oil, place it in a pan of simmering water. I put a hot pad in the bottom of the pan so the jar isn't directly on the heat.
Okay, how long are we going to do this?
At least 10 minutes, and it could be longer, but you don't need more than 10 minutes. The critical part of this is the temperature. So
Okay.
you don't want to heat it above 120 degrees.
Gotcha. So I had a question about like this much olive oil and with propolis. What do you do with all of that?
I know it seems like a lot. You can make salves out of this. You can't take the tincture that is soaked in alcohol and turn it into any kind of a balm.
Yeah.
But when it's an oil-based product, you can add beeswax and lavender essential oil.
Also like a face skin salve.
It's beautiful for facial products because it's anti-inflammatory, so it's really lovely for skin.
Rosacea or something.
And this could be directly put on a wound, and we're done on our time. So I'm going to take this out of the heat.
Here, I can move that.
And let it sit here and cool. And from this point on, you can strain it through. You would pour your oil.
Okay.
Capture the propolis in here, and then save that propolis because you can use it again. It's good for at least another batch.
But I wouldn't be able to use this again.
No, you are
Propolis?
dedicating
Yeah.
a strainer
Right.
to your propolis.
Okay, gotcha.
Yes. And now we're going to talk about a tincture, which is used internally. And the way you make a tincture could not be more simple. The recipe for a tincture is 1 part propolis to 9 parts alcohol. I like to use an Everclear, which is a very, very strong alcohol because it's been shown to be the most effective at breaking down the propolis and getting all those yummy bits out for your tincture.
If you aren't a beekeeper with your own supply of propolis, try to connect with a local beekeeper from your area to source it directly or check online for bulk propolis suppliers. Etsy has quite a few listings for bulk propolis. An easy way to check for purity is to put 1/2 teaspoon of your propolis in a glass of milk and let it sit on the counter for 4 days. If the milk doesn't spoil, you know your propolis is good quality.
So let your tincture you just made sit for 2 weeks in a dark place, shake it a couple of times a day, and then you'll strain it like this one and put it in a dark bottle, and it'll last for years. I use this for immune system health. You can take it daily, 20 drops a day, or if you feel something coming on or you're really fighting a bug, up to 3 times a day, and it'll make a world of difference.